Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how to build this heat reclaimer for a wood-burning stove. This is far less expensive and more efficient than the ones you can buy in the store. We need this 8-inch stovepipe. There's a 2-foot section, 2 caps, a blower, and 2 T's, and we also need a power cord. We'll trace the 6-inch pipe on the cap and cut it out with an angle grinder or snips. After that, it's super easy to build. Put a cap on the bottom facing up, then a T, then your straight pipe, the second T, and finally the cap. The blower goes on the top T, blowing inward. It should be looking like this. To wire the blower, you attach black to black, white to white, cover those with the wire nuts, attach the green down to the green grounding lug of this metal cover that came with the blower, and that goes over the whole thing like that. Gravity will hold these things all together, except right here we'll put in a self-tapping screw. Now we're going to slide the whole thing onto the chimney pipe. I put the cap on already. You can see I opened this up and then slid the cap up. Next, the big piece, and then the other cap. There it is, all in place. This is absolutely not necessary, but if you want a more finished look, cut the center out of another cap and a circle of hardware cloth. Put them together like this and spray it black for a cool looking grate. It actually looks better flipped around with the fan in back and the blower in front. It's cold in here this morning at 38 degrees. Let's get a fire started. Looking good. By the way, if you're wondering what this second door is, this is a pizza oven and smoker, and I'll post a link in the description. We're about 450 on the bottom barrel, 310 on the top barrel, and about 200 at the top of the chimney. Let's turn on the blower. 240 degree air, and it feels wonderful. And we're about 110 degrees up top for a 45% heat reclamation. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your heat reclaimer.